In front of me is an ID2ME ID1, and I will show you how to access the factory mode. So we'll need to start by powering off the device. So hold power key and select power off. Okay, and wait for it to shut off. And once it's off, we will hold volume down and power key. So volume down, power. Now keep on holding even though it looks like the phone has shut off again. And you should see the logo once more, like now. You can let go now. And we're right now in factory mode. So from here we'll use volume up and down to navigate to the menu and power key to confirm it. So this way. Or, well, apparently only volume down works. And as you can see, it's definitely not in English, but the last option would be to reboot the device. Then as you can see, the third one from the bottom is MMC, which would be the equivalent of a hard reset of the device, and like the top ones are test modes, which when you run them it will start testing the device, and it takes a little bit, so I'm not gonna do it, but yeah. And as an example, I'm just gonna reboot the device and confirm it. As you can see, it's shutting down and it should reboot automatically. So this is how you enter the factory mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.